The following MCQ reads that which statement about fuels is correct? Remember, fuels are used for producing energy. Now, the statements are that heat energy can only be produced by burning fuels, which is probably incorrect because there are a lot of ways where heat energy could be produced. For example, you have electric heaters, so you can use you can produce heat energy by electricity. You can convert that electricity into heat. You have the formula for power of power is current into voltage. So you have that formula as well. So let's look at the second one. The first statement is obviously incorrect. It can only be produced by burning fuels is not correct. Hydrogen is used as a fuel, although it is difficult to store it. Yes, hydrogen is used as a fuel because hydrogen undergoes combustion. H2 and O2, they react to produce H2O. And that's an exothermic reaction. It's a very exothermic reaction. It is difficult to store it because it's always difficult to store gases because gases take up a lot of volume. Gas particles are very far apart from each other, so that you need to compress them. So gases need to be compressed for storage. So it is difficult to store. So this option looks pretty good. But let's compare it with the other options, the two left. The third option is methane is a good fuel because it produces only water when burned, which is incorrect. I have written the equation for the combustion of methane. Reacts with oxygen, produces carbon dioxide and water. So water is not the only product. There's carbon dioxide that is also produced. So this statement is also incorrect. Let's move to the last one. Uranium is burned in air to produce energy. Now, uranium is not burned. It's a nuclear fuel. It produces radiation, and fission is the reaction where the isotope or the nucleus of uranium decays and produces energy. So it's not a chemical reaction. It's a nuclear reaction. So air has nothing to do with it. So uranium produces energy in the form of radiations. So that is also correct. It's not reacting with air. So the most likely correct answer is definitely going to be B. Option B is going to be your correct answer. Hydrogen is used as a fuel, although it is difficult to store it because it is a gas.